Here I have Motorola Moto E7i Power, and today I'm going to show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So firstly, let's open settings and go to system section, languages and input, virtual keyboard, Gboard, languages, add keyword. Here you can see the whole list of languages in which you can type on your device. So let's pick, for example, Greek. And now let's try to write something down in Greek language. And as you can see, now I have Greek layout on my keyboard here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.